Guys and girls, Forex trading success doesn't come from luck. It comes from understanding the market and executing with confidence. In this video, I break down a winning trade that I took this week, explaining the exact strategy, mindset, and steps that lead to my success. You will learn how to identify high probability setups, the importance of patience and timing in trading, and most importantly, why keeping it simple beats overcomplicating your strategy. Now, whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or an experienced trader needing inspiration, this video has something for you. Watch now and let's take your trading journey to the next level. This week, the market gave us a textbook opportunity on volatility 10 index, the pair that you have been seeing on the screen. Now, we did take a sell positions on this market today. The question comes, why did we enter a selling position on this market? Now, we came to a conclusion that this market is going to sell depending on the information that we got on the daily time frame. So let us go on the daily time frame and see for ourselves what information we got on the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, you can see that this market has been moving, providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs, timing this market to be technically moving in a downtrend direction right here. But this downturn direction, it was just short-lived because the moment the market broke past this level right here, it termed that this market that was supposed to move in a downtrend direction, right now it is no longer valid because the market on retesting, it broke past this previous lower high right here, wrecking this downtrend movement. So we said, okay, this market that was supposed to move in a downtrend, right now it is technically over. So let's see what the market currently, the information that we get in this market. So we can see the market started to move on series of higher highs and higher lows. But again, this minor or mini uptrend direction was just short-lived because on retesting, the market also broke past below this level, technically breaking this short-lived uptrend direction. So we said, okay, it seems like the sellers are still not strong. Like we need more sellers in the market in order to sell this market, or we need more buyers into this market in order to buy this market. That's where the market is having difficulties in making decision of whether it's going up or it's going down. But we said, okay, it doesn't matter. We are literate traders and we are day traders. Let's trade currently the information that we are getting into the market. And we can see right here, the market started to move in series of our highs and higher lows. This technically meaning that this market is moving in an uptrend direction right now. So we said for ourselves, how is the uptrend direction is supposed to move? We know an uptrend direction is supposed to move with series of higher highs and higher lows, just like this. So we know based on this illustration that after the break of the structure, then the market is supposed to come and retest to this point right here before going up. This is the same scenario that we are seeing on this screen right here. So we know after the breakthrough of this structure, right, the market is supposed to come and retest to this area of liquidity before playing out. Because as you can see, we cannot just wait just by staying idle for the market to come to our areas of liquidity, because hey, this is the daily time frame, and from here to this area of liquidity, it's almost 5,000 pips. So you cannot just stay idle, say, and just watch these 5,000 pips go without you. So we said, okay, let us go on the lower time frame so that we can get ourselves an opportunity to sell this market and see to this area of liquidity. That it is when we went on the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this market was previously moving beautifully, almost picture perfect in an uptrend direction, providing us with series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But again, this was just short-lived because remember, on the daily time frame, we are looking for conferences to sell this market to the daily liquidity. But the break of this structure right here, it marked that this uptrend direction is technically and officially over. So we said we are shifting our series because we have gotten our market structure shift right here. All right. So we said, okay, let us see how the market is supposed to move on a downtrend direction. And it's supposed to move, providing us with a series of lower lows and lower highs. But again, On retesting to this market right here, you can see the information that we got from this candlestick anatomy. And what is that? It is this weak rejections right here. And that's why I say to all of my students in the Telegram group, like, weak rejections or the information that you get from the candlestick, it is very, very important because it tells you who is weak and who is strong in the markets. Remember, the information that we have so far, we are looking to sell this market. This is our information number one. The information number two is the shift of the market structure on the 1 hour time frame, which has confirmed that we are going down. All right. Information number three is how the market is supposed to move while moving on a downtrend direction. And it can be seen the market is supposed to move by providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs. And the information number four is the candlestick anatomy. How did the market react when it came to retest to this level right here? And you can see we have our weak rejections right here. So these weak rejections are just telling you that, okay, the sellers are still strong because the buyers that were supposed to penetrate above this level right here, they have no such strength. As you can see, the market decided to go all the way up, but at the end of the day, it closed below the structural level. And guys and girls, after all our analysis that we have seen, how we did our top-down analysis, you can see the trade hit my target perfectly, netting me with a risk-reward ratio of 1:4. All right. But here's what matters the most. You have to understand that this trade was taken logically. It isn't or it wasn't about luck. It was about trusting the process and staying disciplined. This trade reminded me that simplicity wins in Forex trading. You don't need to overanalyze or chase the market. You just need patience, a clear plan, and consistent execution. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, can I do this too? The answer is yes. Trading isn't about being perfect. It's about learning, it's about growing, and it's about showing up every day with the mindset to succeed. Every trade, every lesson, every win, every loss, it's all part of the journey. Keep going because your big breakthrough is just around the corner. And trust me, 2025 will be your biggest year ever in trading if you subscribe to Forex Clubhouse. Because you have to understand this one thing: trading success isn't a solo journey. It's a community effort. If this video sparked new ideas or gave you that light bulb moment, hit the like button and subscribe to Forex Clubhouse. Let's build something incredible together in this year of 2025. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your own trade setups in the comments. I read every single one, and your growth inspires me to keep creating content for you guys. Let's make trading dreams a reality in this year. See you in the next video, and bye bye.